In front of me is Vivo Y95, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit one-handed. Then tap on this switcher next to access mini screen using gesture to switch it on and follow all of those instructions. Then hit OK, and after making this gesture, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to change placement of it, click on this icon of a square and an arrow at the top right or left corner. Then use those dots to move it. And to go back, click on this X also at the top right or left corner. To disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!